Hello, good afternoon. Welcome, teaching English for a specific purpose. Be Jefferson Urbano. Task number 1. Personal introduction. My name is Jefferson Urbano. I live in San Bernardo, Nariño. I am 23 years old. At this moment, I am studying in a degree in English at UNAD. I am studying the sixth semester. I work in a growing tomatoes. My cell number is 311-446-7502. My email is urbanoyefsom6@gmail.com. Task number 2. Answer some question. Number 1. According to the course description, what could your personal goal be while completing the course and why? My personal goals as soon as this course is to acquire a lot of knowledge and learning in the teaching of language and to have very clear concept of the theories and to satisfy my knowledge as to this course. Also, there are very important materials about teaching English as this improves to perfection at the time we are going to our class to the students. Number 2. According to the course contents, how do you think the course will help you to improve your teaching competence? The content of the course are of great help to enrich the knowledge of the teaching of the foreign language, as they say that the practice makes the teacher because through reading or writing we can improve our learning needs. Number 3. According to the course contents, what are the 5 topics you like the most and why? The 5 contents of the course that most appeal to me to act as a good teacher are: number 1, language description; number 2, material evaluation; number 3, methodology; and number 4, approach to the course design; number 5, evaluation. Their results are very important for the development of the class of the practice that we will do. Number 4. According to the course contents, how does ESP relate to the language learning experience? My experience in language learning has led me on the right track. The help they have given us have helped me a lot to improve my learning and also to overcome the news of this language, which is the ideal for learning that foreign language. Number 5. Have you been enrolled in an ESP course in the past? If so, which one? How did you like in it? I have never actually seen up, but this the opportunity because with this we can improve our learning of the language because what interests me is to learn and improve my skill so that in the future, my students acquire a lot of knowledge through my teaching. Thank you so much. Bye bye.